always dreamed of modeling. Now Soul 2 on Higgsfield AI made it happen. Beauty flows through time.
Hi guys, I am Mila, and today I am here with an attractive tutorial for you. So here we are on the Higgsfield.ai main page. It's pretty obvious how powerful this platform is. They've integrated tons of AI models into all these different features. We've got it all right here, from image and video tools to editing, AI influencers, character creation, and a whole lot more. Just sign in right here and you're good to go. Start creating whatever you want. Today we're diving into Higgsfield Soul 2.0. If you're tired of generic AI results, you'll want to see this. It's built with actual artistic taste, not just random pixels. The standout feature here is that it's culture native. By working with art directors, the developers ensured it understands aesthetic nuances and professional grade lighting. Okay, here's the huge game changer, Soul ID. Forget those weird AI glitches where the face changes every time. Now you get total consistency, no matter the style. Finally, Soul Reference allows for precise control. It extracts the atmosphere and lighting from any reference image to apply it to your work. You can start building your projects right here. In this section, you have the option to upload a specific character or generate a new one. You can also use the color transfer feature to maintain precise control over the color grading and overall palette of your project. You can also play with the settings, like prompt enhance, image size, and quality. Just pick your model and you're good to go. You have two options: upload a reference photo for guidance or enter a text prompt to start. Check this out. You've got a whole bunch of presets to choose from. Just go with your favorite and see the magic. Okay, first things first. Let's set up a Soul ID character. You've got two ways: either do it from here or use the menu at the top. You gotta upload over 20 shots of your character in all sorts of angles and poses. Basically, the more data you give it, the better it's gonna look. So, I've got my shots uploaded. I'm calling her Faye, using the Soul 2 model, and let's hit that create button. Okay, character's ready. Now let's test some presets. Let's go with warm ambient, adjust our character settings, and I'm actually not gonna touch the color transfer yet. I want to see what the preset can do by itself. See? This is exactly what I meant. It's got that retro, moody vibe, like a shot straight out of a classic fashion magazine. Now, I'm curious about this one, Surreal Solarization. It's definitely going to give us a more artistic, high-contrast look compared to the last one. Check this out. This style is wild. It's got a very unique, artistic feel to it. Definitely didn't expect this. Next up, Theatrical Light. Let's see how this transforms the whole mood. Now, this is what I call a masterpiece. The shadows, the pose, that massive ruffled dress. It's giving total theater and high fashion vibes. The character consistency here is top-notch. You can see the default presets changing the hair and lighting, but the base model, our Faye, remains exactly the same. All right, here we go. Time to apply some color transfer and see how it completely levels up the vibe. Okay, let's stick with Theatrical Light. But this time, we're going to mix it with nostalgic blue. I'm really curious to see how this combo turns out. Wow, this is a stunning piece of art. The way the white, blue, and red tones blend together gives Faye this incredibly moody and cinematic vibe. It's so mysterious. Now, I want to try something a bit more playful. Let's keep the Theatrical Light but layer it with candy pink. I'm wondering if this gives Faye a more pop art or dreamy look. No way, I was not expecting this at all. This is getting really interesting. I'm hooked. I have to see what else we can do. Look at that gorgeous, specific style it just gave Faye. Okay, let's try soft palette now. I'm betting this will look super elegant and dreamy. Wow, she looks stunning. The outfit and the whole combo, It seriously looks like a fashion artist styled her. Let's throw in a prompt and see how it turns out. Any guesses on the result? Words can't really describe this mood. It's just, wow. Time for a style reference. I want the AI to grab the lighting and composition from this photo and apply it to Faye. Let's see what we get. I think it looks amazing. What do you guys think? I still need to adjust the aspect ratio, but let's play around with some color transfers first, and then we'll fix the dimensions. So, Candy Pink was a success, but let's stick with the soft palette while we adjust the dimensions. There we go, much better. Now, just for fun, let's see what Nostalgic Blue does to this composition. This is so cool. It's like having a digital palette in your hands. You have so much room to experiment. It's honestly the perfect setup for creating something unique. Let's clear all the settings and see what happens. Can it still nail the vibe of the photo from scratch? Let's see if it's got what it takes. Look at this. It captured the essence of the reference photo so accurately. The color, the composition, the mood, it's all spot on. It really knows how to read an image. Last time we had presets and color transfers helping us out, but now let's go raw. I'm going to use just the prompt, no other controllers, and see what the AI can do on its own. Let's check it out together. Don't forget, presets and color transfers are only half the battle. They don't include the pose. For a truly complete design, you've got to combine them with a prompt or a reference photo. Perfect sync. The prompt and the result are totally aligned. Great stuff. All right, let's keep the momentum going. Next one. Oh man, it nailed it. Every detail, from the look on her face to the way she's standing, is exactly how I pictured it. And the best part? It didn't lose that artistic vibe at all. I'm so happy with this. I wanted to see Faye on a magazine cover, and the AI nailed the spotlight effect. It's elegant, it's sharp, and the vibe is just pure art. This is definitely one of my favorite results so far. I got a bit carried away with Soul 2 because it's so addictive. I can't show everything, but here are a few highlights. I'm going to go quiet now so you can just watch and enjoy these. Thank you for watching all the way through. Hope this was useful for you. Love you all. Catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.